Saturday, March 14th, 0939 a.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. I hope you're doing well this weekend, taking care of your needs, wants, and situation aware what's coming into next week. Since we just finished the week and we're very close to the middle of the month, I'm going to discuss the stock sectors in the S&P 500. The S&P 500, the go-to stock index that financial institutions and investors want to be situation awareness. We are looking to outperform the S&P 500 stock index. Minimum, we're looking to perform equal. This could all be done with investments in the individual stock indexes in the S&P 500. Yeah, the S&P 500 has several stock indexes. I posted that video yesterday. You could get a lot of good insight to see how the other stock indexes, which are part of the S&P 500, are performing. Some of them are performing better. But this video is going to be the stock sectors in the S&P 500. There are 11 stock sectors in the S&P 500. Some of them are outperforming the S&P 500. We're going to look at the weekly charts first. That means each candle here represents the prior week. This is a 5-year chart, 5 years of history. And again, each candle represents 1 week. So all the way in the bottom, look at this, the year 2022, the low. And the top right, the year 2025, the high. So that means this stock sector, which is technology, I have it here in white letters and the stock symbol. Technology hasn't even taken out the high of last year. Yeah, we were very close to the lows of this year. It's not leadership. Healthcare. New lows for the year. Financials, new lows for the year. So these top 3 sectors I just showed you, wow, they are performing terribly. That is not a healthy economy. These should be in the leadership positions for a healthy economy. They were showing signs of weakness weeks before, months before. Consumer discretionary, new low for the year. Look at that. Huge consolidation here and key level right there. Communication services, massive consolidation here. Now this is a swing low right here, which is also, that candle is a dodgy candle and it reversed. We haven't broken the lows of this year yet, but again, we filled. Here's the high of the year. We had a trend reversal, filled to continue going up. Momentum's down, lower low, lower high. Higher probability this is going to go trade lower, not leadership. Industrials, yeah, huge move down, lower low, lower high. Now inside a demand zone, key level. We're going to see in the days coming, weeks coming, are we going to get a reversal here? Or are we going to have a continue markdown? Consumer staples, yeah, another big, huge sell-off. And energy, new high for the year. Utilities, inside candle for the week. Inside candle, I have programmed as yellow candles. That means indecision. And real estate, yep. Lower low, lower high. Now testing a demand zone. And materials, lower high, lower low, forming a dodgy candle here. Potential reversal. And this is the S&P 500, which they are part of. New low for the year. That is just one time frame I showed you. But because we're so close to the middle of the year. Yep. Sorry, we're so close to the middle of the month. In the middle of this month, this is the third month for the first quarter. Yep, the first quarter. Next month, we will have earnings for the performance of this quarter. So since we're so close to there, I want to look at the monthly charts, looking at the bigger picture. 10-year chart. Each candle's a month. Look at technology. Since last year, it's been selling off. Healthcare. You got a huge move down. Big bearish candle. Financials, again. Bearish. Consumer discretionary. Bearish. Communication services, holding strong right here. Consolidation, inside candle. Want to see this, the end of the month, how it performs. Industrial. They make the high for the year. Look at that. And then a big reversal. Consumer staples, inside candle. Energy. Yep. Big pin bar. Utilities, inside candle. Real estate. Again, way below the highs of 2021. Not leadership. Materials. Big trading ranges on these monthlies. So that's the current situation. Thank you as always spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.